Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. Hi everyone, it's Suzanne here. Thanks for joining me. I have this really cute box to share with you today. It opens like that, and it's a full flat box. Even with all the decorations on it, you can still fold it up and store it, and that way you can make a whole bunch of these. I just want to put in a little caveat here that myself and Sarah Fleming are doing a class right now featuring the Share What You Love stamp set and the paper, and we have a lot of designs, card designs for you, but I thought I would throw this out there for the world at large just so you can see the beautiful paper and how I'm actually utilizing the embellishment kit, because a lot of people are like, what is that? So first of all, the embellishment kit looks like this. It's phenomenal. It's a beautiful box, and today I am using this designer series paper for the box we're going to create today. But I just wanted to show you what that artisan box looks like. Oh, that's not supposed to be in there. So it comes with a couple of twines and these really cool little florets, and they're metal and adhesive. And then you got a couple of these lovely pins and a whole bunch of die cut. I've chosen to use one little bit of one on our design today. Okay, for the box today, we are going to start off with a piece of cardstock. This happens to be Rich Razzleberry, size 7.5 and 6 3/8. So on the long side, the 7.5 side, I'm going to score at a half, 2 3/4, 4, and 6 1/4. I'm going to rotate it to the short side and then score at 3/4 of an inch, 2, 4 3/8, and 5 5/8. I'm going to fold and burnish all score lines. All right, so now I'm going to take my paper snips here and cut away some of the paper. So this whole section here gets removed. And then I'm going to cut up on all of my score lines. And even on this side. Okay, we're going to remove these two rectangles. I'm going to skip one and I'm going to remove these two rectangles. Then I'm going to remove these little rectangles. And these two. And now all I have to do is wedge in on my tabs. So that is what you should have. And now I'm going to put it together. A little bit of my favorite adhesive along the side. Close it off like that. If there is any little bit, I can go in and remove that right now. Obviously, my measurement or my cutting of the actual paper was slightly off by 1/16 of an inch. Okay, so putting in the tabs, putting in that. It's a good sturdy little box. Now, if this is the seam, this will be my front, and my designer series paper is 2 by 2 1/8. You need 2 of those. So for the top and bottom, this is 2 inches by 1 inch. And mind your patterns. And then on the side, we need 2 1/8 by 1. Again, mind your patterns. Quite like the stripy design on this paper. Okay, so I have a piece of rich raspberry velvet ribbon, and I put some tear tape on the back of that. So all I'm going to do is lift up that release paper. It's always the hardest part. I'm going to start off with my edge and put it where my edge is. So right about there. And now all I have to do, because it's got adhesive around, I just have to follow there we go. So I have a little bit left over. I'm going to cut that ribbon away. I have my rich raspberry ink out, and I am using the Hello stamp from the Free as a Bird stamp set right here. Inking that up. And now I have one of the little rosettes. I'm just going to peel the backing off of the adhesive. Believe it or not, this adhesive is super strong and it sticks to the ribbon. Very cute. I'm just going to open up the box and then press that as hard as I can. Perfect. So that's my share for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Like it, give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.